This is my 2020 CANAM Ryker Rally Edition. I mean, if you ever been interested in getting one, man, just do it, man. I mean, this thing's great. I had it for about almost 3 weeks now. As you can see, it's dirty, man. Doing real riding out here. Check it out. As you can see, let me get up here, man. Got almost 1,000 miles on it already, man. I mean, comfortable. I commute to work on it. It's about 30-something mile ride. Smooth, easy. And if you're out here in Texas, you know about them storms we had last week. I got caught in a couple of those. Handled like a champ. I mean, it's a great bike. Not really into these YouTube videos. I wasn't even prepared to do this one, but I was like, just go for it. I mean, it's real nice bike. I'll crank it up for you one time. That's a little key. If you ever been on Sea-Doo, anything like that, you know about them keys. Let's get it going. Time for y'all to, yeah, baby. And it's gonna go. And it's gonna go. I'm gonna take it for a little spin, man. I'll catch up with y'all next time. Cruz!